Consider the reinforced concrete cross-section provided below this. Evaluate the cracking moment of the given reinforced concrete based on their cross-section area and the section of the reinforced for number 4 bars, which is number 11, and assume that the concrete has a compressive strength of 4000 psi and the concrete tensile capacity is 7.5 under root FC dash. So in step 1, we will determine the cracking moment based on the gross cross-section property. Then calculate the area of steel reinforced and inertia of the transformed section. And after that, determine the cracking moment based on the transformed section property and compare the both result, gross section property and transformed section properties. Okay, so we will in the last we will compare the both. Okay, so in step 1, we will calculate the concrete modulus of elasticity. Concrete has a compressive strength of 4000 psi, so 57,000 under root FC dash. So at the place of FC dash, I will plug its value, which is 4000 psi. So modulus of elasticity of concrete will equal to 3.605 multiplied 10 to the power 6 psi. After that, we will calculate the moment of inertia of the cross section, gross cross section. This is the moment of inertia of gross cross section, which is equal to BH cube divided by 12. So we have value of B, which is 36 inch, and value of H, which is 24. Height is 24 inches. If I plug the value of B and H, I will get the value of IG, which is moment of inertia, 41,472. Okay, now in the step 3, cracking moment based on the sectional property, which is gross section, MCR of gross sectional property. So IG is moment of inertia, gross moment of inertia, and FT is tensile strength of the concrete, and Y is the centroid of the vertical centroid of the section. The formula of tensile strength is, which is given, we have assumed that 7.5 under root FC dash. So Y is H divided by 2 because it is gross cross section. Okay, so the total is gross cross section is 24, so its centroid will be 12 inches. So this will be 12. So I will plug the value of IG, which is 41,472, and 7.5 under root 4000 divided by 0.5 into H, which is will become 12. Okay, so if you calculate this, cracking moment will be 1639 kip inch. In step 4, the part B, so modular ratio, we will find out the modular ratio. I have found it the gross cracking moment based on the gross sectional. So now I will find the cracking moment which is based on the transformed sectional property. Okay, so cracking moment of transformed section, for that I will do determine the modular ratio N. Reinforcing steel has a modulus of elasticity is 29 multiplied 10 to the power 6 psi, and calculate the value of I. We have calculated value of modulus of elasticity of concrete, which is 3.605. Now we will plug in value of ES, modulus of elasticity of concrete steel, and modulus elasticity of concrete. So now the modular ratio is equal to 8.04. So this is the transformed property of the steel. So in step 5, we will find the area of steel. So in the question, it is given there is 4 bars, which is number 11. The area of number 11 bar is 1.56. So area of steel will equal to the total area of steel is 6.24 inch square. Okay, now determine the centroid of the transformed section. So YT what is the centroid of the transformed section. Okay, so its formula is 0.5 bh square plus n as area of steel, and this is ys is 2.5 inches, which is equal to d. This is this clear cover, center of steel to the extreme bottom fiber. This is 2.5 inches. Okay, so if I plug the value of this all parameters, I will get the centroid of the transformed section, which is 11.48 inches. In step 7, moment of inertia of that transformed section. So moment of inertia of the gross section plus BH h divided by 2 minus YT, the centroid of the transformed section whole square, plus modular ratio multiplied by steel into centroid minus clear cover. So the moment of inertia of transformed section is 45,471 inch power 4. Now we will finding the cracking moment of the transformed section, transformed cross section property. Okay, so this is the formula of cracking moment, which is this is the moment of inertia of transformed section, and this is the tensile strength of combined tensile strength of the steel and of the concrete, and YT centroid of the transformed section. So if we plug the value of this, so the cracking moment of transformed cross section property is 1890 kips inch. Okay, now we will compare the cracking moment of gross cross section and transformed cross section. So the transformed cross section have greater 15% increase of cracking moment of transformed section. So this have more energy, more resistance to the load.